Hey, welcome to Let Me Tell You a Story. Today's story is about maintaining momentum, or Big Mo. I got my recipe for Big Mo from a banker. He was an early investor in the Jennings Company, and one month we missed revenue forecast and he called us on the carpet. Fellas, he said, he was from Texas and his dad was an oil man. Do you know that one thing? The one thing you two need to succeed? A colossal inheritance, I thought to myself, but I didn't say it. To him, I just shrugged. Tell us. Character, he boomed. And the definition of character is the ability to maintain momentum long after the mood has passed. I thought about that. Character, the ability to maintain momentum long after the mood has passed. That makes sense. That's actually some pretty good advice. And from that day, I made it my mission to hire character over credentials in everything I did. For example, I talked to a sales leader, somebody with really good numbers, and they had worked at a big consultancy firm. But I noticed that they had changed 4 jobs over the course of 8 years. No, that wasn't what I was looking for. And I talked to a saleswoman who had hugely successful, but she had changed jobs because the market had slowed down and it got just too hard. No, that's not what I was looking for. I was looking for something else. I was looking for character, and I got good at finding and uncovering character and also seeing the red flags that told me there was a lack of character there. So I got a lot more character on our teams. But Big Mo was still elusive. Our ability to maintain momentum was not everything that I had hoped for. And suddenly, one night, it was like a bolt out of the blue. It came to me. I'm only using half of this recipe. The ability to maintain momentum long after the mood has passed is, first of all, to go ahead and bring people in who have character, but then you have to maintain that momentum long after the mood has passed. How long is long? Longer than before? Longer than anybody else? But no matter what you say, it's not forever. And that's where I realized the second half of the recipe. Don't let the mood pass. The recipe is after the mood is passed. What if I got skilled at doing everything and keeping everyone in the mood? I could hire character over credentials, and I could go through with myself and every other leader in the team, and I could maintain the ability to keep people in the mood. With that, long would become forever. So, where I left it was I got the questions and the inquiry that sorted out who's got character. And number 2, I developed the rules of thumb and the boundaries that could keep leaders from becoming a buzzkill or the party pooper, killing the mood. Well, that's the story for today. Maintaining momentum is developing, hiring, recognizing character, but then it's also a matter of doing nothing that takes people out of the mood. That's my story. Glad I could share it with you. Hope you have a chance to talk to each other about it. And when we get together in Tiburon, I'll give you all the specifics about how to recognize character in interviews and in promoting, and also how to develop the kinds of things inside the culture that keeps people in the mood.